Hi, my name is Jonalyn Pagirigan, 44 years old, from Cabagan, Isabela. I am married and I have two kids. They are 8 and 16 years old. I am the fifth among the 5 siblings in the family. And I am currently working as a merchandiser in Walter Mart. And I have been working in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia since 1999 to 2003. My main job is to prepare the children going to school, cleaning, dusting, vacuuming, washing, ironing, and helping my colleagues in the kitchen. From 2005 to 2007 in UAE, my main duties are cooking, dusting, vacuuming, cleaning the kitchen. From 2015 to 2017 in Saudi Arabia, my main duties are cleaning, dusting, washing, and ironing. From 2019 to 2021, my main duties in UAE are taking care of the 5 children, ages 3, 5, 8, 10, and 12 years old. From 2021 to 2023 in Kuwait, my main duties are cleaning, dusting, ironing, washing, and helping my colleagues in the kitchen. I would describe myself as an open and honest person who doesn't believe in misleading other people and tries to be fair in everything I do. I am hardworking and driven individuals who isn't afraid to face a challenge. I'm passionate to my work and I know how to get the job done. I am a dependable person who has years of experience. I possess the qualifications are needing, and I am willing to offer you quality service that will more than satisfy your expectations. I understand the qualifications and requirements. I believe that I am the one that you are looking for. Thank you.